channel. Today we're going to make mini semolina uttappa. For this recipe you will need semolina, yogurt, a bowl, onions, tomatoes, coriander, capsicum, tomatoes, and carrot. We're going to use our bowl and start mixing all the ingredients one by one. So first we're going to mix semolina. Now we've mixed all our ingredients together, so we're going to let it set 10 minutes. Now it is 10 minutes, our mix is ready, so we're going to start the gas and then put up a medium flame cooking oil. Now let's make uttappa. Now we're ready to flip this to cook it on the other side. You can see nice golden brown. Now we can just put it in our plate. Now let's just put some cheese to enjoy. And some barbecue sauce. And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe, like and comment so you don't miss any of my videos. Bye!